creamy layered blueberry ice pops, or blueberry yogurt swirl ice pops. Ingredients: 2 cups fresh blueberries, 1/4 cup honey, 1 tablespoon lemon juice, 2 cups vanilla Greek yogurt, 1/2 cup milk, fresh blueberries for garnish. Directions: prepare blueberry puree. In a blender, combine the fresh blueberries, honey, and lemon juice. Blend until smooth. Set aside. Prepare yogurt mixture. In a bowl, mix the vanilla Greek yogurt and milk until smooth. Assemble the ice pops. In ice pop molds, layer the blueberry puree and the yogurt mixture, alternating between the two until the molds are filled. Use a skewer to gently swirl the layers for a marbled effect. Freeze. Insert sticks into the molds and freeze for at least 4 hours, or until solid. Serve. To release the ice pops from the molds, run warm water over the outside of the molds for a few seconds. Garnish with fresh blueberries. Prep time: 15 minutes. Freezing time: 4 hours. Total time: 4 hours 15 minutes. Kcal: 100 kilocalories. Servings: 8 servings. Dish presentation: creamy layered blueberry ice pops are a delightful summer treat that combines the creaminess of vanilla Greek yogurt with the vibrant flavor of fresh blueberries. These ice pops are easy to make and perfect for cooling down on a hot day. The layers of blueberry puree and yogurt create a beautiful marbled effect, making them as visually appealing as they are delicious. Ideal for kids and adults alike, these ice pops are a healthy alternative to store-bought treats. The natural sweetness of the blueberries and honey pairs perfectly with the tangy yogurt, providing a refreshing and satisfying dessert. Enjoy these creamy layered blueberry ice pops at picnics, barbecues, or anytime you need a cool and tasty treat.